Hey y'all, hey, what's up? It's Snow and it's Snowbytheday. Welcome to my channel. For all my planner besties that's coming back, hey y'all, hey, what's up? And for the newcomers, hey, what's up? Take a seat, press the subscribe button, hit that like button, and just get comfy because you're gonna love it. I did miss my Money Monday. Yeah, I know. I was sleepy, I was tired. I just needed to chill. How about that? But I am back today with a video pertaining to Monday, and today we're going to be making some cash envelopes. Now I know there's tons of cash envelopes videos out there for you to just thumb through, look through, but I wanted to give y'all my take on mine. And this didn't cost me any shipping or anything because I use Amazon Prime. I got it in a day, and I stopped by Hobby Lobby on the same day that the envelopes were going to be delivered. So this all cost me less than $20. So stay tuned to see how I make my cash envelopes. Okay, y'all, so we're going to start this video off right now. So this is the sample that I made. I've only made one. Now these came in a set of 32, and not all of them are envelopes. Well, all of these are envelopes, but not everything that came in the set were envelopes. Some of them were like card holders or like large pockets, whatever, but these ran me about $10 and some change. I got them in one day with Amazon Prime, and they fit B6 planners if y'all are interested, because my budget planner is going to be a B6, so they fit B6 planners. I got these stickers from Hobby Lobby. They are the Paper Studios alphabet stickers. Retail price is $9.99, but I picked it up on a day where all Paper Studio stickers were 50% off. So that totaled to be, what, about $4.99? So yeah, basically all these envelopes are gonna cost me less than $20. I'm not gonna make all of them right now, but I'm gonna make the ones that I use the most, and maybe over time if I find out that I need new envelopes, I can make them because I have the letters, and I'm thinking about doing a little giveaway. So y'all might want to stay tuned for that. It's just the idea I'm playing around with. So let's just get into this. Now remember, this includes no vinyl, no Cricut, no silhouette, no nothing. Just 3 easy steps. Buy your envelopes, peel your stickers, and lay them. And y'all know that we're really good at that. So I'm gonna start laying my stickers, and of course I'm gonna fast forward all of this. So enjoy. Okay, so I want to get some tips while I'm doing this. Make sure if you have long words, start on both of the edges, the left and the right, and work your way in towards the middle. And don't be afraid to overlay. I kind of start getting worried when I had these big words because I was like, I'm gonna fit it all in. But then I was like, I can just lay it over and look at it. It's adorable. I'm gonna go back and change the food. Tip number 2, get creative with your wording. Use some abbreviations, and don't be so scared to, go diagonally. Everything doesn't have to be your traditional straight across. Just get creative because you need to get these letters in, and you know what you mean by everything. They're your envelopes. Number 3, alternate your uppercase and lowercase letters. This helps you not to run out of letters, and especially use it when you know you have a smaller word like gas. It's only 3 letters. So I use 3 big uppercase letters because I knew I didn't have as much space to worry about. This is a tip and a FYI. Don't be afraid to cover up the holes where the rings will go, because you can always use like a razor or anything, any of your cutting utensils, just to cut a hole in where the letter is covering up the hole. And I wanted to show y'all how durable these stickers are. They're not going anywhere. It is so hard to pull these stickers up, so do not worry about them raising up or anything. And I'll make sure I come back with a video maybe a couple months or so after them being used, just to show y'all how durable they are, because y'all, peeling up these stickers is a headache. So once you have them on, make sure that you know where you want them to go, because it's hard to pull them up. Once again, I wanted to keep this in because I wanted to show y'all, I'm pulling these stickers with all my might just to get it in. I was going to edit it just to cut down the video because I'm a short video lover, but I had to show y'all that these stickers are not going anywhere. They're safe to buy, and I will come back and show y'all either here or on Instagram. That's why it's important that you follow me on Instagram at Snowbytheday. Alright, y'all, these turned out so cute. I only made 5 because I think y'all get the gist. The video doesn't need to be long, but I think it's so cute, so I made 5. 1 for my food money, 1 for my gas, 1 for my fun money, which is my allowance that I give myself every month that I then break in 2 weeks. My 52-week challenge money, that means whatever money that I didn't spend in this category, or this category ends up going into my 52-week challenge. Make sense? And then I have my payback, which is because we are in a pandemic or whatever, I'm not using cash, so I've moved to credit cards that I have cleared out. And they're like cards that I paid off like a year ago that I never used, and I'm glad I didn't close them. So basically I have different credit cards. There's one credit card that I have for gas, and I tally up, I keep track of how much gas I've used on that card. And then when it's time, usually before the time the card is due, I'll just take out this, put it in my bank ATM, and then transfer the money over into, and then whatever I don't have left, we'll go into 52-week challenge. Just like for my food, I don't use cash to buy my food. I use a credit card to pay for my food. Once I get home, I tally up my total. I move over the amount of food that I purchased into this payback thing, and then just like the other one, I just put this money into an ATM machine and pay it back. I find this a lot easier for me to keep track of, just because I was good with my cash envelope system, and going just to my debit card and swiping, I could tell that I was losing some dollars, and I wasn't saving as much. So I'm just gonna alter how I use my cash envelope system during this pandemic in a way that is safe, or at least safer, and it allows me to keep track of my spending and my savings. So I hope y'all enjoy this video. Make sure you give me a thumbs up and send me some pictures if you do it. If you try this out, send me some pictures on Instagram. Message me on Instagram. It's Snowbytheday, just like it's Snowbytheday here. I hope y'all had fun. I did. Duces.